Hi, let's see how we can use Ubuntu on cloud for free and do our work like coding and stuff and do things what we can do on Ubuntu. You can consider it for because it is on cloud and for free, and you also want a very fast and very speed internet, so you can consider it. So first open your browser and go ahead on this website cloud.vocon-it.com. This is cloud service who provides something better. Just create an account. I have already, and I will scroll down and I will find this UBUNTU session. So I will create it. It may take time like 40 seconds because it's a server based in Europe. If you are located nearby Europe, so you might not feel delay, but you can also wait for 40 seconds no matter. As it connected and open, you will see its plan, but we will use for free because free version it works great. You will find many applications here and many editors, so many software here which you can use for your work for coding. I will show you to create some stuff in coding. I will create a React application using Vite and run that here, and that works smoothly. Before that, I will open a folder and create a index.html file and write some code, and I will run it on browser by copying path it, and I will close this cloud Ubuntu and restart it again for seeing this will save our data or not. So just I'm restarting, and after opening VS Code you can see our data is as it is. Now I will create a with React project here, and I will run that here. You can see this is running smoothly, and as I'm changing here, so it is reflecting fast because it has 8 GB RAM. I logged in with Google. If you are logged in with GitHub, so you will find 12 GB RAM here. So this is amazing, and this is all. Whatever you will run here, that will work fine, and you can do your work and data will be saved. And when you will close it and you will come on next day, so your data will be saved and you can start where you live. So this is all I wanted to share with you. This is one of in those cloud provider where you don't need any credit card and anything else to run a Ubuntu with amazing features and saving data. You can run it on your phone, on your any device you want, where you can access this website. And anything else you want on this website and on this thing, so you can comment and I will definitely work on that. If you liked it, so you can subscribe my channel and like this video, and till then stay tuned and stay focused.